In this video, I'll show you how to build a Hubspot landing page. Start by signing into your Hubspot account. From the dashboard, click Content, then select Landing Pages. Next, click Create, then choose Landing Page. After that, select a template that fits your goal or start with a blank template if you want to build the page from scratch. Now enter a name for your landing page and click Create Page. Next, use the drag and drop editor to customize your page. Add and edit text, images, buttons, videos, forms, and other content by dragging the desired elements onto the page. After that, click on each section to update the content, colors, fonts, spacing, and layout to match your brand. Now add a form module if you want to collect leads, then configure the fields and choose where new submissions should be stored. Next, click the Settings tab and update the page title, URL, meta description, featured image, and other SEO settings. After that, click Preview to review how your landing page looks on desktop and mobile devices. Finally, click Publish to make your landing page live and share the URL with your audience. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a Hubspot landing page. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.